Hi, welcome to Linguistic Shorts. Today we will discuss Saussure's view on language. We know that Saussure is the founder of modern linguistics, and there is a book titled A Course in General Linguistics under his name, published in 1960. In this book, we will find the philosophy of language posited by Ferdinand de Saussure. If you want to understand the philosophy posited by Ferdinand de Saussure, then these three statements we need to understand very carefully. First statement is language is a system of systems. This means that in a language we have larger systems and we have smaller systems as well. For example, in phonology, we study how sounds interact with each other. So we have sounds, they interact with each other. Then we have syllables. Syllables, they come together, and then we have words. Words, they come together, and then we have phrases, clauses, and sentences. And sentence is the largest unit of syntax. So this is how we can say that language is a system of systems. The statement number two, that language is a system of differences. What do we mean by that? For that, we need to understand two concepts posited by Ferdinand de Saussure. The first one is parole and the second one is langue. Langue is a system that is internalized by the speech community. So it is an abstract system that we find in the mind of all speakers in a speech community. And what is parole? Parole is an individual instance and act of speaking. So when Saussure says that language is a system of differences, Saussure talks about that the langue is shared by the entire speech community, whereas parole, an individual act of speaking, varies. The way I speak is not the way you speak. The words that I know, there is a possibility that you know more words or less words than I know. Statement number three, the relationship between signifier and signified is arbitrary. So what is this arbitrariness? Signifier is a sound pattern and signified is a concept. So there is no direct link between a sound pattern and a concept. For example, the sound pattern tree has three sounds, t, r, and e. And the concepts that we have when we hear the sound pattern is quite different, and there is no direct link with these three sounds. In Hindi, the tree is pronounced as ped. In Sanskrit, the tree is pronounced as vraksh. So the concept of vraksh, the concept of ped, the concept of tree remains same or similar, but they are three different words. So there is no direct relationship between signifier and signified. These three statements posited by Ferdinand de Saussure sums up his philosophy of language. So I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.